Earning money has been made easier right now with this platform right here called vocal.media, and I'm going to show you a cool way you can actually utilize this platform to maximize your income with the help of an AI tool right now called ChatGPT. So if you want to learn this strategy, it's quite important you do stick on to the end of this video to watch this video right here to learn and utilize this strategy to make a lot of money online. If you're interested in my channel right here, because I usually create videos about how to make money online with CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and other strategies right there that could help you boost your income online. If you like such content, guys, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that could help you out right now. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and your notification bell is on all to always get alerted whenever I release videos that could help you go on to boosting your income online. With that being said, guys, and no more delay of time, let's dive right into the video of today. So basically what you want to do first of all is to come onto this platform called vocal.media, and this is actually an amazing platform that connects writers and readers together right now. On this platform right here, as you can see, you could share your stories and you get to support creators right here. As you can see, the vocals in all in one platform where you can share your stories, build an audience, and also earn money in the same process. So you get to earn money, guys, via the amount of views which you get for your articles or your stories on this platform. You can see right here that these are actually some reasons why you need to become a creator right now on Vocal Media. You can actually gain access to the easy to use story creation tools. You could gain access to earning money from reads, tips, and challenges. You could also moderate every story for your safety right now, and there's no annoying ads on this platform. So there are quite cool details right here on this platform that you can just simply leverage. You can see that these are actually all cool stories you could actually go on to watching or reading through right now. And as you're reading through these stories, guys, the owners of that particular story actually get paid by the amount of views they actually do get to that particular article or story. And if you do go on to Google and search for how much Vocal Media actually pays, you can see the Vocal Media earnings per view, and you will be able to see that Vocal Media go on to paying about $3 or $3.8 per 1,000 views. That is actually for normal Vocal Media creators, but for the Vocal Plus creators, they're going to paying about $6 per 1,000 views right now. This is quite cool right here, and you can also earn money right here on Vocal Media from bonuses right now. If you look at this article right here, this person has been able to go on to discovering some ways you could earn money from bonuses right here on Vocal Media. You could earn money from your 5th published piece on this platform. You could also earn from your 10th published piece, which is $10 from your 10th published piece. You could earn from your 50th published piece. You could actually earn via creating a successful Facebook group right now. You could earn $5 bonus for hearting and liking 15 stories by other creators, and these are actually a lot of cool ways you could earn bonuses on this platform right now. These are some discovered ways that you could earn. There are also some other ways which you could also earn bonuses on Vocal Media that has not actually been discovered right now. So you want to just simply utilize this right here as a form of leverage to go on to making money on this platform. And guys, you may be wondering, how do you create a story if you are not actually a storyteller or you're not somebody that is actually a good writer right now? I'm going to show you a very cool and amazing tool you can use to do just that. And you can actually go on to automating that to actually maximize your income on this particular platform called Vocal Media. To do so, guys, you need to just simply utilize this platform right here called ChatGPT for that purpose. So if you do head back to Vocal Media and you click on create story, you just simply have to go on to signing up for an account. As you can see, you can sign up for an account via clicking on join right now, where you just need to sign up with your email address right there, or you could just simply sign into your already made account. So you can see right here, guys, I'm signed into my account, and that actually led me to this page where I can start creating my story right now. And for my story, guys, you actually need to get a title, a subtitle, plus a featured image, video, or a content right now for that to actually be submitted for review right now on this platform. So right here, I'm just going to go back to ChatGPT right now, and I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to generate 10 horror story titles. And if I do that right now, I'm just going to click on enter, and ChatGPT is actually going to generate 10 horror story titles. You can see that this has actually been done right here. what I'm going to do next, guys, is to actually ask ChatGPT to generate maybe a subtitle for the first story. So if I click on enter right now, you can see right here that ChatGPT generated the subtitle for the first story, and I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to write the full story. I'm asking ChatGPT to write the full story in not less than 600 words. There's a reason for me selecting 600 words, and I'm going to show you right there the reason later on. Right now, you can see ChatGPT is actually writing this exact story right now. And guys, if we head back to vocal media right here, guys, you can see right here that for vocal media you actually need a title, a subtitle right here, and you need to go on to pasting your content right here in this particular section. So right now you can see for this word section, you can see that if you actually have less than about 100 words and above, that will be considered as a poetry right now. And if you do have above 600 words right now, that will be considered as other cool and amazing stories. So what you want to do right now is to head back to ChatGPT, and I'm just going to go onto the top section and copy that first title right now, which is this title right now for this horror story. So if I do go into copying this title right now, I'm going to head back to vocal media right now and paste that in this title section. I'm going to head back to ChatGPT to copy the story, or rather to copy the subtitle right now. So if I do come right here and copy the subtitle for this particular story, I'm going to head back to this section and paste that subtitle right in here. I'm then going to go back to the ChatGPT right now and actually copy the story right now that was generated. If I copy the story, head back to vocal media, and I can then just simply paste that right now. As you can see, the story is actually about 560 words right now. It's not up to 600 words right here. So you can just simply use this right now based on your preference right here to actually make some money online. So what you want to do right now is to actually go on to publishing this on this platform. But before you can publish this, you need to either add an image. You could upload an image from your device to embed a YouTube video or a video online, or to use an Unsplash image. So what I'm going to do right now is to actually go into selecting an Unsplash image right now, and what I'm going to just simply type in right here is maybe something like a horror whisper. So if I just select that right now, you can actually do see a lot of images that I can just simply utilize right now. So what I'm going to do right now is to just simply select one of the image. The image has actually been added right now, as you can see right here. What I'm going to do next is to just simply click on save changes, and if I do that right now, guys, my changes have successfully been saved, and I can actually go on to submitting this article for review. You can see right here I can submit for review. You want to just simply select the community which you want to just simply categorize this particular article as, and I'm just going to keep on scrolling through until I can see a very cool community. Maybe I can select fiction right now. That's actually quite okay. Select a sub community right now, which you can actually utilize right now for readers right now. So you want to just simply keep on scrolling through. You can select the fan fiction. Once that has been selected right here, you can select the fantasy. You want to go on to selecting horror right now, and you could actually select lots more other cool tags that this can actually be helpful for you in getting a lot of cool and amazing attention and attraction to that particular article. So right now, guys, once I actually did select all this right here, you want to just simply click on submit for review right now. And if you submit for review, you're gonna be shown this page which says thank you for your submission. Our team of moderators will review your work shortly. Once approved, it will be published on vocal media right now, and you can then just simply go on to creating another story right now, or you could just simply head back to the vocal media homepage. So if you do that right now, all you need to do is to just simply refresh the page, and you can actually go on to checking out your story if your story has actually been approved or reviewed and actually accepted right now. So in some cases, guys, it may actually take a little less time for that to go on to being approved on this platform. Maybe it could take about 2 minutes right there, or to 5 minutes right now, for that particular article to be reviewed and for that to be published on this platform, and you do start going on to making money via views right now, which you get for this. So if you want to automate this, all you need to do is to actually go onto ChatGPT and actually create stories and subtitles for each and every one of these particular titles right now, for this horror stories right now. I'm going to creating a lot of stories you can actually utilize right now to go on to making money right now on this platform called Vocal Media. So try as much as possible to generate as many articles as you can and come onto this platform called Vocal Media to go on to publishing that and making some cool cash by doing so. So it is quite easy, guys. You can do that today and start making some cool cash, but you need to actually be consistent in doing this simple strategy right now, because it's not actually quite easy for you to go on to getting lots of views right now to an article on such platforms. So consistency is all that matters. Be consistent with this and make sure if you're posting 2 articles per day, you stick onto that and post each and every single day for you to get a lot of cool engagement to your post right now, or your articles or stories on this platform, and make some cool cash. If the video added any form of value to you, why not just simply smash the like button to the video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and your notification bell is on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.